Hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Soul Talk with Priya. And if you're new to my channel, double welcome. I'm so happy to be welcoming you on this channel in a different setting with a different background. I am normally on the beach, and today I am at the Black River National Park, which is found in the west part of Mauritius. This is one of our most beautiful natural park and national park. As you can see, I'm sitting in the middle of literally a river. So here you are, letting you discover how many trees there are, and the river is here. Just have a look. I'm sure you're hearing the most beautiful sound of the water running on the rocks. This is a place where I connect to myself and I connect to nature. So some of you have been asking, how do I actually do that? It's very simple. Whenever you come to a place where you can be on your own, you can just sit down, and either you can close your eyes or you don't need to close your eyes, and you breathe slowly. Okay, I've shown it to you before. It's very easy. You just breathe through your nose and out of the mouth, like I'm doing. You can do this for a few minutes, and you will see that your heartbeat has calmed down, and you will start feeling a kind of calmness inside yourself, in your heart, in your mind. You won't have any thoughts. So this is the way to go about it. There is no other way that I know. If you know, please share with me in the comments. And today I specifically wanted to come here to see the trees and to get connected to them. And I just look at them and I try feeling the majestic trunks. I'll show you one of them, which is right here. So I look at these trunks and I tell myself how nature is so pretty, has given us such majestic trees, and feel the joy of their greatness, and feel it in your heart, feel it in your mind. And right now I'm also listening to the water running. So this is very soothing. It calms you down as well. And it's a very good place to meditate. For meditation as well, the main thing is the breathing technique. So when you breathe continuously over time, you will get to see that you have no thoughts into your mind. And when it's very calm, then you can feel the connection with the water, with the trees. That's how I do. And if you start listening around, it will make you start smiling on your own. You feel one, you feel complete. Well, that's not going to happen in 2-3 times. Maybe over weeks, over months, if you continue to do this, you will be able to feel the nature around you. You will be able to connect to them, because we are all energy. So this is a very short video, but I wanted to share with you the joy of connecting to nature. Try it and let me know. Please comment, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you want to know more about it, just let me know. And I'll try to make a new video on it. Thank you. Bye bye.